I'm going to cover a treble crochet, also sometimes known as a triple crochet. So I've got my chain, and what I'm going to do is wrap the yarn around the hook twice and then stick the hook into the 5th chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. I'm going to pop it in. Okay. There are 4 chains on the hook. We're going to yarn 4 loops on the hook. Excuse me. We're going to yarn over and pull through the first one, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2 more, and then yarn over and pull through the last 2. And that is a treble crochet. So again, we're going to yarn over twice. We're going to stick our hook in the next chain or the 5th chain from the hook, as the case may be. We've got 4 loops on the hook. We're going to yarn over and pull through the first one. So we have 4 again. Then we're going to yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through 2 more. And we just repeat that process. So I'll do a couple more. Wrap the yarn around the hook twice. Stick it in the desired chain or stitch. You have 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through the first one, and then you'll yarn over and pull through 2 until there are no loops left on the hook. Okay, yarn over twice, stick the hook in, 4 loops, yarn over, pull through 1, again 4 loops, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through 2. And as you can see, that's what it's beginning to look like. And that's a treble crochet.